Today we're getting dirty.
We are gonna be teaching you how to eat an entire banana in one bite.
Just kidding! Today we're making some Dirty Joe shooters. Now that we have your attention, stick around and find out how to make these. Cheers!
Oh my god, yum. That tasted like a banana split. These shots were inspired by Trader Joe's frozen chocolate covered bananas. Mwah.
These are my favorite snack. They're called Trader Joe's Gone Bananas. You can find them in the frozen section if they're not sold out. So to bring in that banana flavor into our shooters today, we went with Howler Head's Banana Whiskey.
And if you want to make this shooter at home, be sure to check out Bottle Rover and get your booze delivered to your door.
Make this at a get-together. They're really cool, they're really impressive. If you're a bartender, make this behind your bar.
And if you don't have the chocolate covered banana from Trader Joe's, that's okay. You can do it without.
The banana from the Howler Head Whiskey has your back. It's still gonna have that same flavor from the Trader Joe's treats. You can't go wrong. Now let's dive into this layered shooter. This recipe calls for equal parts of Rumchata, creme de cacao, the dark one, and Howler Head.
So this shooter is gonna be built directly into your shot glass. The first layer is gonna be Rumchata.
Next, we're gonna go in with 1 part of the creme de cacao. You're gonna carefully layer that on top of the Rumchata. I highly recommend using a bar spoon for this. Get the bar spoon as closely as you can to the Rumchata. Pour the creme de coco onto the bar spoon and let it fall off alongside the edge of the glass, and it will layer nicely. It should. Good luck.
Next, you're gonna grab that spoon and do the exact same thing and pour the last layer, which is our Howler Head.
We're topping these shooters off with some whipped cream and then of course, garnishing it with 1 Trader Joe's Gone Banana slice because this is our chaser moment. This is the grand finale.
We deserve it. So good, we had to do it again.
That's the perfect combination of ingredients. You're gonna love it. And if you like this recipe and you want some more, don't forget to
like and subscribe to your girl.
and hit that bell.
Now we're gonna eat a whole banana
In one bite.
in one bite.
Are you ready?
If you're still here, you deserve to see this.
3, 2, 1. Cheers.